Hi everybody, thank you for joining me once again. So today I have the subscription box from Simply Gilded and I wanted to share it with you guys. Let's see what we have. So just the front is beautiful, but check out this back. That's stunning. I'm gonna make this into a dashboard. It's just too pretty to just put up in storage. So okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and let's take everything out. Okay, so first let's go by the list. It says foil journaling card. The journaling card is in here. So here's the bag that she included. And just in case you guys didn't know, you guys can make this into a shaker. You guys can use this as a dashboard. Just punch holes in it here if you have a ring binder, and put, you know, something in it or some shaker, and you know, you'll enjoy that. I know I would. Okay, so here is the journaling card. Isn't that pretty? See, and you guys can easily put this in here and use that as a dashboard. Cut it to size. Anyway, that's something I would do. So that's the journaling card. Very nice. The next thing on the list is the designer washi tapes. Now I think she said that she was including more washi tapes than normal. Let's start with these. Look at those. Those are nice. I'm loving this one. That's the favorite one. My favorite one from this box. Then you have the one with the little watermelons and the script washi. Very nice. And then I think this one is perforated. No, it's not. Well, it's still nice. And then I subscribe to the add-on washi, so that's those. I have the door open because it's hot today, so if you guys hear my neighbor's dog, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so the next thing would be, let's put this over here, will be the deluxe sticker kit and seals. That will be this. All right. So here's the first page. And I'm loving that she's adding 3 weeks in total. We can really stretch this out. And here, the one with the deco. This is very pretty. Okay. And here's the functional card. Here's the date dots. Nice green. Here's the half boxes. And here are the beautiful seals. Okay, so the next thing is the B6 Traveler's Notebook that she included this month. And just heads up, this is going to include the mystery item. Here it is. Isn't that nice? I like this one, and I like how more sturdy it feels. It's like more, it's not as soft as the others. And it comes with a pin loop. Very nice. And they did the edges. Her items usually don't have the edges done, like an edge seal. It has gold hardware, quilted, very nice. Okay, so the next thing is the engraved pen, the gel pen. That's elegant. That's really nice. I really enjoy her pens. They're very good quality. Another noise that you might hear will be my desk. I need to wax it so it won't make these noises. Okay. Then our notebook, which is black paper this time. I don't remember her mentioning that, but the inside is black. That's going to be fun. See how it's black paper? That's going to be extra fun. Let's see. And then she also included acetate and vellum. Tyler, my son is playing a game, so he's excited about winning and he's making noise. This is the vellum, which as soon as I finish this video, I'm going to use in my V6. And this is the acetate. Silver on one side if you prefer silver, and gold on the other. Very nice. Then the heart-shaped sticky notes, black and white. I'm not going to open these up. This is self-explanatory, but I'm definitely going to use those. And the mystery item, which I was going to go out and buy tomorrow, actually, and I received the box today. It's a white jelly roll. I'm happy about this. I've been eating this. A white jelly roll, number 8. So that completes the box. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys join me next on my next video. Subscription, happy mail, possibly a plan with me. Thank you for joining. Bye.